Hello mga palangga! Welcome back to my channel again. Yes, in this video, I'll be cooking ginataang gulay or vegetables in coconut milk. Ayan. You know what mga palangga, when it comes of ginataan or any dish that includes coconut milk is my top list among of my favorite Filipino cuisine. Ayan, yes. Kahit pa siguro mga exotic food gawing ginataan, I'm sure I would definitely love it mga palangga. Yes. Well again, I grew up also eating vegetables in coconut milk so often. That's why I always cook ginataang ulam. Ayan. So, since I haven't cooked ginataan to vlog, kaya this time ipagluluto ko kayo ng ginataan. So, mga palangga, are you ready to know my recipes or my ingredients? Okay? So, let's proceed to my ingredients. Okay? Alright mga palangga, here are my ingredients for my ginataang gulay or mixed vegetables in coconut milk. So, I have sliced pork, string beans, chilies. This is supposed to be green, but since I have no available, so ito na lang. And also shrimp, mga palangga. Eggplants. I have also eggplants. Squash. Here, the squash. Gagamitan din natin siya ng sauteed shrimp paste. Luto na siya, mga palangga. And also, our minis ingredients, garlic, onions, ginger, and tomatoes. Ayan. And 2 cans of coconut milk. 2 cans of coconut milk, mga palangga. And of course, gagamitan ko din siya ng Knorr cubes. This is optional lang, mga palangga. Kung gusto nyo mas masarap ang iyong pagkain, pwede nyo siyang gamitan ng pampasarap. That is optional lang. Depende sa inyo. And lastly, our cooking oil. This time, mga palangga, I am using coconut oil. If do you remember last time I made latik for my biko, ito siya. This one is the drained oil from my latik last time. Okay. So, alright mga palangga, here is my cooking pot. Dito ko siya lulutuin. So, first thing to do is to turn the heat on. Ayan, naka-on na. And I'm going to put cooking oil. Here is my coconut oil. Ayan. A few teaspoons of coconut oil. When the cooking oil is starting to heat, then let's saute our ingredients by starting up with the standard procedures. So first, garlic, then onions, then tomatoes, and ginger. And I'm gonna add my sliced pork. Here. And I'm gonna add my Nor pork cubes, mga palangga. Here. Mga palangga, again, I forgot to include the salt and pepper in my ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna add salt and pepper. Here's the salt and pepper. I'm gonna add few more drops of pepper. Nakulangan ako sa pepper eh. And I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of shrimp paste. Here. 1, 2. So it's time to put my squash, mga palangga. Here. And I'm going to add my coconut milk. Here's the other one. And also, mga palangga, I'm going to add my shrimp. And chilies. And let's cover it up and bring it to boil. So mga palangga, when starting to boil, I'm going to put my remaining vegetables. So here is my eggplant. And followed by string beans. Here. Medyo maliit yung aking cooking pot. So I'm going to cover it again and let's wait until when it's done. So mga palangga, I'm going to check it if kamusta na ba sila, buhay pa ba sila. Ayan, kamustahin natin. think it takes few minutes more mga palangga. So, i-cover natin siya ulit. So, let's check agad mga palangga. Ayan na. So, I think tapos na tayo mga palangga. It's serve time! There you have it mga palangga. May ginataang gulay. Kaunta!